So what's scissor key? Still don't know what it is. Are these like the fancy ones where I can like put my own little image for it? Because that's what I have. Good, Donald. Yeah, you got to learn to trade within your risk management parameters. It's crucial. It's easy to have a good day when our risk management is essentially non-existent, right? We're using our entire drawdown as our risk management tool. All right, now we got some sellers stepping in. Back to New York VWAP right here. Does that hold up? I don't know. I wouldn't long here. I just wouldn't. Not big enough of a rotation down. A little early in this sell-off to go long. So are they like concave or whatever? Like they got a little divot to them? I feel like that's what I have. They feel good in my fingers. They click when I press them. Is that what you mean? I'm just trying to get a better understanding. Are they like click? Okay. So when I press it, you know, it feels nice. Yeah. Oh, that was a little bouncy. See if it holds. Long at 15. Price at break even. Here we go. Nice. Out. 12 points. Oh, just a VWAP scalp, guys. Good old VWAP scalp. Right off the VWAP. Dance playbook. Yep, just being patient, Carlos. Waiting for just good setups. Everything in between is just patience. Nice, Tyler. That was a great trade. Yeah, I was fighting with that 750-ish level, 755 for a good 8 minutes before it finally rejected. And this is a little cleaner off the New York VWAP upper band right here. A little more to the tick. If you drop it here, all right, it's right perfect off there. Yep, exactly, Michael. When you have the VWAP and the point of control kind of lined up together, there's some good scalps to be had in that general vicinity. There's also an LVN right here. I bounced off of New York lower band. Very clean too. So balance here so far. All right, let's see what we get next. A little choppy, very choppy here now. So we might have to wait for a little more edge here. We're going to be doing a giveaway in about an hour. So make sure you guys like the feed, the YouTube, subscribe, smash it if you must. Not required. It's always helpful if you smash something. Okay. No trades here. Chop zone. No diggity damn. Good afternoon. Good morning. And if I don't see you later, good evening and good night. This is where I'm patient. Don't click buttons just because you feel like pressing buttons or you're bored, guys. Just wait for a setup. You don't have to trade. This is where you can get easily ruin your day or give up money when I'm not longing this. We're breaking into this area down here. Not feeling it. See if this indicator gives me an early warning symbol to not go long here. Hovering around the bottom here. Could have grabbed 10 points if you bottom ticked the bottom. You winning, Dad? Probably. I would have, Danny. Yes. Got the short at 94. See if it continues down. Stop at break even. Let's go. Break it. Bleed. Come on. Come on now. So you don't want to short down here. You wanted to short the pop. See if we can take out that low. Nah, it might come back and snag me here. All right, I'm out. Still interesting. Short again at 89.25. Can't get any continuation out of it. It's driving me nuts. All right, I'm going to take a break. I'll be right back. Yep. Keep in mind, guys, it's also like a zone, right? And these can be transitionary zones, right? So they could be choppy and messy. So it's hard to say. It looks like it's trying to transition from balance to price discovery. And that doesn't always happen instantly. Back to VWAP here. How big of a rotation do we get? Back to that low volume area. See if it rejects here, if we can break above it. Buyers don't seem all that enthusiastic. Back to 700. Rejected at that low volume area and VWAP again. So this is kind of our new balance area down here for now. What is that? What is that gift? I proudly do not have any New Balance sneakers. I am a dad, but I'm not trying to be that dad. I want to be like the cool dad, you know? I don't shop at Costco, no. I shop at Publix, which is a Florida grocery store. It's kind of nice. Continuing to trade in this. Yeah, the CVD is still bleeding. No real conviction here, but this could be the buyer stepping in. Guess I'm just not that mainstream, Jake. I don't know. I didn't get to where I am by doing what everybody else does. I pay for convenience. Costco isn't exactly close. So I live like 2 minutes from a nice grocery store. It's more expensive than Costco, but my time is valuable. What can I say? I also don't do any of our grocery shopping. My wife does that. Oh, nice. I had a house in Boynton at one point. Western Boynton. JP. I'm in Jupiter. All I know, JP, is that the bill comes to me. Yeah, that sounds convenient. All right, longs. Let's see. I'd be afraid of the dump. But let's see where we get to. Man, this is slow. I would like to see a break above that VWAP. Maybe get long position down here somewhere. Fade the value area extreme. Ride it back to VWAP. That's the idea. Long at 96. Can we get back over 700? Come on. Nope, flat. Okay, we wait. I do. I sell options. I don't buy options. I generally sell cash secured puts on stocks I like. I used to do a ton of credit spreads. I haven't done as many lately. I've been so absorbed with futures trading. I don't have any plays right now. Volatility is quite low. Fix 14.5. So prices suck. Yeah, I just don't feel like the premiums are juicy enough to take on the risk. God damn it. Nope. Not much going on here. Sure looks like it wants to go lower eventually. But the S&P is back up at upper band. NQ is at lower band. Dow is trading above the second deviation band. Russell's going to the moon. The market is just doesn't know even what's happening. And we have an IB. And here is the Madonna. Going back up. There was your Madonna. Look like a fairly decent rejection. See if it goes higher. No. See if it continues to reject here. Looking for the long. Continues to hold. Nope. I don't know. Delta is just kind of in a downtrend. No real buying. It's a slow bleed. Yeah, Michael, but I'm not going to anticipate the break. This is a fade value area extreme until it accepts otherwise. VWAP wave principles. Principles before setups. Setups before execution. Does feel heavy. Now, is this the next leg down, or is this going to be just a liquidity grab? And we reject back into balance. We will see. We got monthly VWAP at 49. Which was a key level in Globex, early Globex. I wouldn't say it's a monthly bounce because we never went into price discovery on the month. We've been in balance on the month. So goes right through it. ES took out the lows of the session. ES is at lower band on Globex here. And Q just zipped right past the second standard deviation band. It's almost at the third standard deviation band. These moves today have been, when they come, they're aggressive. All right, we'll do a giveaway in about 23 minutes, guys. Well, it'll be interesting to see if this is the break and reclaim. All right, just a big giant stop out. We'll see. Big giant stop run. Or do we continue to bleed out to the downside? I actually don't have a discrepancy whatsoever between Ninja. I have Ninja Trader up right here, and they're the same for me. So not sure what you're doing. Aim higher, but I have Ninja Trader right here. NQ 709. I got it on Trading View 708.5. It's off by 2 ticks. Thank you, Ross. Appreciate the support and the positive feedback. All right, so we're now price discovery. We hit an extreme level. We can stay selling off, or do we return to value because still fairly balanced, but we'll see. We will see. I would be surprised if it continued to go straight down like that, but anything could, like I said, anything could happen. Giveaway is going to be after 11. I generally don't do any giveaways before 11. We're focusing on trading. There's plenty of streams that are doing giveaways all stream long that don't really focus on trading. It's a new car. What do you think it is? All right, we're chopping around monthly VWAP. Delta's going sideways, and it has been for the last 6 minutes. It'll be interesting to see if they build some structure here and bring it back up. But, you know, there's a key LVN right here. We will watch. Oof. See if it rips the short's faces off out of here. No position for me, guys. I'm just kind of watching. Here's the low volume node we need to reclaim. I would assume that's a short spot, unless it says otherwise. But Delta is really shifting here. A lot of buyers stepping in. Okay. Here's IB low. Let's go right through it. Dang. Nice, JP. So I consider a key low volume node a level that's going to make a significant inflection point in the session we're trading. Kind of like a line in the sand. Deeper, more significant. Back to point of control we go. I reckon. I'll be right back, guys. We essentially just went to the bottom of the overnight trading range, right? So not really price discovery, anything. We're still in the overnight trading range. Is this a lower high? Let's see. Nope. Back test. See if it continues higher. Looks like a good place for a long. See if it keeps going. Nice. Long. Come on. Let's give some continuation here. Nope, that might have been it. Went right to that point of control on the RSI too. I don't know what happened with the camera. That's weird. Just stop working. We're going to want to see this level hold. Going to get any more upside. I don't know what happened to the camera, guys. I don't know why it's not working. It's just not a great one, Tyler. You know, in a very short time frame, I guess you could consider that, but it's not in confluence with anything on the higher time frame for a price discovery move. What the hell happened to the camera? There we go. Weird. That was an aggressive buy up. Encouraging. ES all the way back at upper band. So NQ is super weak comparatively to ES. Everything. NQ is weak compared to everything. I'd like to see if we can get back to the point of control. That's my idea. It's only about 16 points away. NQ can sneeze 16 points, so let's go. Point of control. Final answer. Diggity on YouTube says, I hope the camera being off is just a ruse and you're really getting dressed up as Santa before the giveaway. You guys. I don't know that it's been that churny. I feel like the price action's actually been really clean. We've had excellent setups. I mean, we've had textbook setups in both directions. I don't know that I would agree with you, Aderon. And we trade almost all of them live on stream, called out. Let's go. I know you want to go back to your home. Point of control. You love your home price, and point of control is home. It's like a magnet. You're pulled to it. Yeah, don't you want to go to your home? Are you too good for your home price? Looks like it's being capped by sellers right here. But the buyers are building momentum. Also, we could be sucking in all the longs here for the next leg down. So I'm not stupid. I'm fully ready just in case. Any day now. Not getting any younger. Go. Killing me, Smalls. So is the Delta. If we get Boyd to control, I'm done. And then we're going to have a giveaway. Because I just hit profit target. So let's go. 10 measly points. Now we have this stupid little low volume node to get over. Ugh. Got time for that. God damn it. No, I still got point of control, still at 700. I got it back at 96 and 700 on NinjaTrader and TradingView both. The worst. The sooner we get to point of control, the sooner we can have the giveaway. So let's get some cheerleading going. Maybe your emotional support will help get it there faster. Thank you. Somebody's got to be responsible, JP. If not you, then who? Now the point of control has shifted. Still aiming for VWAP. Now I'm aiming for VWAP. God damn. It hasn't shifted on NinjaTrader yet. It's still at 700. It's really struggling with the change of character here because we've had higher lows or lower highs, I mean. So the sellers are holding it. But if we break this, they can really, there could be a nice little stop run up to VWAP. So still like it. If you all market buy on your simulated accounts, we can move price up a little bit for me. It's a pretty flat VWAP. Can't seem to hold above this 80 though, which makes me worried that they're loading up their shorts here. Hopefully it's not that obvious. Let's go. Come on. Push it. They're buying. It's being sold into so hard. Squeeze those shorts. Nope. Tony says that's what he tells his wife. Squeeze those shorts. Interesting. Look at the LVN we printed now down here. Makes it that much more interesting for the long. You just got to be super patient, I guess, because this thing ain't going anywhere fast. Volatility is just nowhere to be found, but I still like the trade. There we go. Come on. Squeeze them out. So close. Go. Come on. Come on. Fill my orders. Filled one. Killing me. You're killing me, Smalls. Come on. There we go. There we go. All right. Profit target hit. 500 times 5 accounts. Here we go. Good first day in the new 5 XFAs. 78% win rate. 132 micros traded. 2,500 bucks. Done and dusted. All right, let's have a giveaway. Yeah, I like affordable indicators, McDroid. I think it's really nice for Ninja Trader. It's not very affordable, but it's really nice. It's not like terribly expensive, but it's not cheap either. It's not like 50 bucks. Because it's not very affordable. Is that why he's rebranding? All right, guys, let's do a giveaway. Since I only have 2 more streams before Christmas, I'm going to give 2 accounts away today. All right, give me 1 minute and I will be right back. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Have you been a good boy this year? What would you like, little Timmy, for Christmas? I want a top 1 account, please, Santa. Well, I'm here to give you guys some accounts, so we're going to do a little giveaway. 2 days to Christmas. We're going to give away both a top one futures trading account and an Apex account today. Any size evaluation you would like. Have you been sticking to the rules? Are you on the rule breaking list this year? Or are you on the good disciplined trader list this year? All right, we're going to put a word in the chat for our first one. The first one will be top one trader funding, top one futures. Okay, this one's going to be with the word Xmas. Put the word Xmas in the chat below. Let's go. Xmas in the chat. Top one futures trading account. Put it in the YouTube chat. Put it in the Discord chat. We're going to have one lucky winner today. Hopefully they've been on the disciplined list, because we don't want to see some bad rule breaking trader. They get coal for Christmas. You get coal trader funding. You get an account with coal trader funding, Jake. And you have to trade crude coal with it. You're only allowed to trade coal with 1 micro for the rest of the year by hand in a street. Coal futures for Jake. And that shit don't move. It's slower than corn. But you can't lose money. All right, let me get my handy giveaway screen up. If I can find it. All right, 30 more seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ho, 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 ho. Okay. Can I get a drum roll from everybody in the chat? All right, here we go. And the winner is of a brand new top 1 futures trading account. It's the most we've ever had in a giveaway. Paul V Trades. Paul V Trades. Congratulations, Paul. You are the winner of a brand new top 1 futures trading account. Paul V Trades. All right, guys, this next giveaway is going to be exclusive to the premium Discord. Any size evaluation you want on Apex Trader Funding, premium Discord only. All right, so the next word for the next giveaway squeeze. It's going to be coal, because all the bad disciplined traders are going to get coal in their stockings for being undisciplined and reckless traders. Ho, 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 ho. You can heat the house. I live in Florida, so we don't really have to heat our houses that often. We don't have any furnaces. We have gas. We have electric furnaces, which are super inefficient and waste energy, but we use them so seldomly it doesn't matter. ES is ripping on that move, isn't it? Really mitigated move on NQ. All right, guys, 30 more seconds. Put Cole in the chat. This is going to be any size evaluation you'd like on Apex Trader Funding. Get it in the chat, Cole, because that's what Jake's getting. All right, guys, here we go. Gosh, you're pretty good at getting your answer in before everybody else. That's twice in a row. He was the first person to be the first person. All right, here we go. Drum roll, please, for the second winner. And the winner is Roman. Congratulations, Roman. You are the winner of any size evaluation you would like. All you have to do is DM me, Roman, for the prize. Congratulations, guys. Merry Christmas. We're going to do it again tomorrow. Tomorrow's my last stream before Christmas. So come join us again. We'll give out another 2 accounts. Maybe I'll have the Santa hat. Maybe I will not. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys took some good trades. I hit my profit target, so I'm going to shut her down here. If you're going to continue trading, I encourage you to manage your risk, stay sharp. Now, you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. So please join our voice channels. That's a great perk for our premium members. Allows you to share your mic, share your screens, collaborate with your fellow VWAP Wave System traders. You don't have to be trading live. You can just be monitoring the market, sharpening your edge, using a simulator. If you have time, keep practicing. Cheers, Danny. Have a wonderful day, guys. We'll be back tomorrow for our last stream before Christmas. Come join us. We'll be streaming from 9:30 in the premium Discord, 10 a.m. on the delayed YouTube. We'll be going to about 11:30. Giving away 2 more accounts. Come and join us. Have a wonderful day. And if you're going to keep trading, right, manage your risk.